Hey guys, thank you for joining me today and welcome back. I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm going to create 3 super easy home decor items. Here I have some snowflakes. This is a package of 10-piece snowflakes that I picked up from the Dollar Tree a couple of years ago. I never used them. I really didn't like them because they didn't have a lot of glitter, or they just looked very plain. So I've decided to use 2 of these today, and I'm going to just add a little bit embellishment to them, maybe a little glitter just to make it stand out and look glittery and sparkly. So I'm going to be using my Aleene's Tacky gel glue. This is the clear one, and I'm going to place the glue all over the snowflake, and then I'm going to use my paintbrush and sort of spread it out nice and thin. And this is what it looks like, guys. I really like the way this came out. It looks so much better covered in glitter. And I'm going to create another one, but I'm going to do it off screen. And I'm going to let them both dry while I continue with the rest of the project. So here I have 2 candle holders, one white and black. And I really like them a lot. I've seen these in the Dollar Tree for years. This is really my first time picking them up. So I've decided to paint the black one. I'm going to peel off all that extra paper that's at the bottom, and then I'm going to pull out my silver paint. I'm going to start painting this because I don't want it to look this color. Anyway, I want to brighten it up. So I'm going to use the Treasured Gold paint. The color I'm using is called Platinum. That color is called Platinum, and I'm just going to start by adding a thin amount of paint onto the candle holder. I'm going to paint the complete candle holder. I'm going to let it dry for about 25 minutes, and then I'm going to come back in and paint it again. So essentially I'm just going to paint this twice, and I'm going to let it dry in between paintings. So now that it's done, guys, look how nice this looks. I absolutely love this better. I didn't like the black. The white and the silver looks really good together. So I'm going to be creating similar looking decor pieces, except one is going to be silver and the other is going to be white. So here are our glittered snowflakes, and they look absolutely beautiful. So next I'm going to take some gold and red ribbon that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. This is really nice. It has these gold stars on the red ribbon. Absolutely beautiful. It's a satin ribbon, and I'm just going to create a bow for the candle holder. So I'm going to start cutting away pieces of the ribbon. I'm going to create the bow, and this is the way I create bow, guys, because I really don't know how to make bows. So I'm just going to cut off a piece of this ribbon, and then I'm going to fold it in half and glue the 2 ends together. I'm going to do this to another section, and that's going to be the loop part of our bow. So again, I'm just going to cut that off at the ends there. I'm going to apply a little hot glue right there to the end, and then I'm going to press it together with my silicone tweezers so that it can adhere nicely to each other. So next I'm going to cut off just enough for the tail. That's going to finish up the bow. I'm going to take and trim the corners just a little bit, just to give it that nice mitered look. And now I'm going to hot glue each piece on top of each other to the candle holder. So that looks really nice. So to put something in the center, guys, I'm going to use these red embellishments that I got from the Dollar Tree last year. I'm going to hot glue this red gem right in the center. Next, I'm going to hot glue the snowflake on the front of the candle holder, and this one is going to be done. Look how nice this came out, guys. I absolutely love the way this looks. I love the red, the gold, and the silver together, and the white snowflake makes the candle holder look very, very festive. So now I'm going to start on the white candle holder, and I'm going to be using this silver glittered ribbon that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to create a bow for the candle holder exactly the same way as I made the first one. Guys, I want to take a moment and thank you so much for clicking on this video today and joining me today. Please don't forget to take the opportunity to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to thumbs up the video. This small rhinestone button is from a headband that I had a long time ago, and so I kept the buttons, but I threw away the headband. So I'm just going to hot glue that right there in the center, and next I'm going to hot glue our snowflake to the front of the candle holder. And guys, look how beautiful this came out. This is absolutely gorgeous. The white and silver look so good together, and that little glittery rhinestone button is perfect for the center. So guys, let me know what you think in the comment section. Let me know which one of the two is your favorite. So for the third project, I'm going to use this round vase from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to clean it off with some alcohol and a paper towel. So what I'm going to do is use some snowflakes that I picked up from Amazon a while ago. These are acrylic snowflakes. These are beautiful. As you can see, this is a chain of 3 gems at the top, and then the snowflake is at the bottom. These are being sold as Christmas tree ornaments, so I want to show you what that looks like if it's laying against any of the branches of a Christmas tree. This is really nice, guys, for a Christmas tree decoration, but I'm not using it for that today. I'm going to use it to decorate our vase. So what I'm going to do here is use my pliers and remove the chain away from the snowflake. I'm not going to use the smaller pieces today. I'm just going to use that snowflake. And this is a close-up. The snowflake is really nice. Again, it is acrylic. It's made from plastic. What I'm going to do is use about 8 of them today. So I'm going to remove the chain and the rest of those pieces away from 8 of the snowflakes. So next, I'm going to use a little bit of hot glue, and I'm going to adhere each one of these snowflakes to the top edge of this vase. And guys, this project is as simple as that, but it looks absolutely stunning. It looks beautiful. I'm using some diamond shaped glass fillers or vase fillers there at the bottom. You can pick those up from the Dollar Tree, or you can pick them up from Amazon. So let me know what you think in the comment section. And I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I do appreciate it. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And you all stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed. And I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.